Hi, this is Michael Mangelli from MarineMax here in Sarasota. I'm standing aboard a brand new 2018 Sea Ray 280 SLX. This boat, as you can see, has the light interior with dark accents, the sea deck on the swim platform, and the walk-through transom. This boat features some great seating here aft, flip-up backrests, and at your feet is the transom stereo control aft. This boat also features a submersible swim platform, push button. This boat is well equipped with a black water sports tower, captain's chair with bolster on the passenger side. At the helm, you've got twin bolsters with companion seat, digital dash feature, beautiful stereo control, DTS shifting, push button start and stop. Powered by an 8.2 Merc Cruiser, this boat has a lot of get up and go for sure. Beautifully laid out head with freshwater sink, vacuum flush head, and light as well. This boat also features the Infinity carpeting, which is an upgrade on this boat. Armrest on both sides here at the bow. Nice storage. Anchor compartment here, complete with freshwater washdown. So this is a brief walkthrough of our 2018 280 SLX here in Sarasota. If you have interest in this boat, please contact us at 941-388-4411.